the advanced Rise and Fall is called Come Away. It's by Come Away With Me by Norah Jones. It's 60 counts, and on the second wall there is a restart after 24 counts. So it starts with your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. 1. That's the advanced Rise and